Well, I got a package in the mail today. I ordered some stuff, American made. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Oh, they're heavy. Put that right there. Let's see what we got. Protecting 6 to 32 millimeter. Replacing my old one. See it? This is Grand Rapids, Michigan. These are pretty nice. And these are 1/4 to 1 1/4. I'll do this one-handed. Look at that. That's a nice little set. Now I gotta clean out my toolbox so I can put them in there, fit them in there before I leave. This is a nice little set. Heavy duty bag, like Molder style. They had that plastic here, and then it always crack, and then you lose your wrenches that fall out. This is nice stitched. What I like is it's not missing any of the. A lot of sets won't have, you know, down here they won't have all the metric. They'll skip some sizes, but this got all of it. I kind of like that. But yeah, we'll check them out. It's nice and durable. I think you can just Google. You can get them on Amazon. That's where I got them. Sometimes they're on sale. I didn't catch a sale this last time, but yeah, you have to check them out.